Okay, so some of the reports that you can get out, there is this little tab down the bottom here. So this is currently showing for all transactions, for all locations, so you can see the business as a whole. However, if you just wanted to see just the head office, or you just wanted to see some of the warehouses, then you can click on them independently and you'll get your separate reporting. Secondly, one of the big changes that you can have now is you have your inventory valuation summary, which always ties back to the balance sheet. However, now what we can do is we can hit more filters on this, and we have these advanced filters down the bottom, which means that now we can actually report on the location. So now you'll be able to actually report as a whole. So not in the individual warehouses, but certainly within the location itself. So we can hit run report here and it will give you the data. Another report that is particularly useful is if you go here and there's a location report. The location report now works exactly the same way as the warehouses, but it just gives you the location name. So you can see as a whole where your stock is for each item.